Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Janelle Herance. I'm a first reporter of cardiovascular system of angelfish or Pomocan today. The cardiovascular system of an angelfish is the biological system responsible for circulating blood through its body to deliver oxygen, nutrients, and hormones, while removing waste products like carbon dioxide and ammonia. It is a visual system that ensures the angelfish survival in this aquatic environment. Below is a detailed explanation of its structural and function. First is heart. The angelfish has a two-chambered heart consisting of atrium. A atrium is a chamber of receive the oxygenated blood from the body. Second is ventricle. It's a chamber that pumps this blood to the gills for oxygenation. The heart has located near to the head and just behind the gills. Gills are the primary site from a gas exchange. Blood flows through capillaries in the gill lamellae where oxygen is absorbed from the water. Carbon dioxide is expelled. The gills are highly vascularized, rich in blood vessels to minimize gas exchange and efficiency. Blood vessel. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the gills to the rest of the body. Veins return the oxygenated blood from the body to the heart. Capillaries facilitate the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste products in tissues. The digestive system of an angelfish is a biological system responsible for breaking down food into nutrients that a fish can absorb. The use of energy, growth, repair, and maintenance. It is especially adapted to the angelfish omnivorous diet, which include algae, plankton, and small invertebrates. Mouth, the entry point of food. Angelfish use their small pointed teeth to grasp and tear food. Pharynx connect the mouth to the esophagus, help in swallowing food. Esophagus is a short tube that transfers food from the mouth to the stomach. Stomach is a primary site for digestion. Acid and enzyme in the stomach break down proteins in the food components. Intestine, long and colon to minimize nutrient absorption. Nutrients from the digested food are absorbed into a bloodstream here. The intestine also processes waste materials like liver and pancreas. The liver produces bile, which help digested fats. The pancreas secrete digestive enzyme that aid in breaking down carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Anus is a endpoint of the digestive tract. Waste products are expelled from the body through the anus. The endocrine system of angelfish is a complex network of glands and organs responsible for producing and regulating hormones. These hormones control and coordinate various physical processes such as growth, reproduction, metabolism, and stress response. The endocrine system is crucial for maintaining hormones homeostasis in ensuring proper adaptation to the angelfish in aquatic environment. Pituitary gland, often called the master gland, regulates other endocrine glands and other growth, reproduction, and osmoregulation, maintaining water and salt balance. Thyroid gland is produce thyroid hormone or T3 and T4, which regulate metabolism, growth, and environment. Adrenal gland, internal tissue located the kidneys, produce corticosteroids like cortisol to manage stress and control metabolism. Pineal gland control circadian rhymes day or night cycle by producing melatonin. Influence reproductive cycle based on light exposure. Gonads or ovaries or testes produce sex hormone like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Regulate reproduction including gamete reproduction or egg and sperm. And mating behavior. Pancreas produce insulin, glucagon to regulate blood level, also secrete digestive enzyme. Ultimobranchial gland produce calcitonin, a hormone that helps regulate calcium level in the body. Corpuscles of Stanius, unique to the fish, regulate calcium balance and play a role in osmoregulation.